Some parts of Southern California are cleaning up today after a 5.2 magnitude earthquake shook San Diego County on Monday. Now there are new concerns about possible aftershocks. CBS News correspondent Derek Waller has the dramatic video showing the moment the quake hit.
The cat felt it first. Then Ashley Pinnock grabs her baby Michael and bolts outside.
We have a large beam that runs through the center of our house, and I heard a cracking noise. And so my first instinct was to get out because I didn't want to be underneath that beam.
Quick thinking from residents in San Diego County, California, after that 5.2 magnitude quake rocked neighborhoods Monday morning.
We felt the whole house start to shake, and we ran into the driveway because the house was shaking so bad we didn't know if it would be safe even in the doorway.
Security cameras captured elephants on alert at the San Diego Zoo. The quake startling dogs inside this home and even waking up this baby. The tremor also knocked bottles off the wall at this liquor store in Julian.
It was like a 2 minutes. I went to go hit the restroom and whatnot, and like instantaneously, like just the aggressive shaking, and I started hearing all like the popping of the bottles hitting the ground.
Now possible aftershocks, and seismologist Lucy Jones says there is a small chance of an even bigger quake to follow.
19 out of 20 times what you're seeing is the biggest one out of 20 times it's followed by something bigger.
Today we had the most damage that we've ever had, but none of the staff was hurt, and they handled it quite well.
Neighbors left with damage to clean up, but thankfully it wasn't worse. Derek Waller, CBS News.
According to reports, a 3.3 magnitude force shock hit the area on Sunday. Residents are now being asked to check for any signs of structural damage like cracks in a home's foundation. And experts warn that residents should be thorough when looking for damage.